This is Wapanocca in Arkansas. I came here hoping to see a duck or two. Today, maybe it'll be different. The last two trips were completely dry runs. I arrived at the lake to a sea of white. Merlin picked up the sounds of snow geese and Ross's geese. I left Wapanocca in disbelief at what I had just seen. About a mile away, I spotted the geese in a staging area on a farm. They were probably feeding before they resumed their migration. It's birding. I came out to see a couple of ducks and I was treated to a couple thousand geese, maybe more. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks.